Boniface, is that your name?
Yes.
Say hello to Mama Flawless. What happened to your nose? Hmm? Ooh, why are you hiding your face? Say hello, Mama Flawless. How you doing? Say hello, Mama Flawless.
Yeah.
Mama Flawless Rain.
Yeah. We bite
How
on.
you doing? How you doing?
Yeah.
How you doing? Say hi.
Wee.
Hey. Hey, Boniface. Bonnie? Hey, Bonnie. Hey, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Now, Boniface be there. Okay, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Say hello. Shake it. Shake me. Oh, can you shake? Oh, yeah, shake me. Eh? What is it picking?
Shake.
Bonnie? Hi, Bonnie. It's a shame. Huh? They say he's shy. Is he a male or female? He's a male. Did you hear what they said? They say he's shy. Seeing woman alone is. Hey. See the way. Hello. 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 Shake me. Can you shake me? Hello. Bonnie?
Kate. Yeah.
It's not harmful.
No, don't play with that rope.
It's not harmful.
No. Now mature people are close now. Can you go there?
Oh, yeah, move. What are you eating?
Granite.
Cannot. Hey. Bonnie? Hi, Bonnie. Leave this in here. Hello. Come on, shake me. Shake me. Shake. Hey, shake. Leave the sun.
Kate.
Hello. Hello. Say hi. Look up.
Stop. Okay, don't you jump down.
Say hi. Say hello.
Stand up. Okay, see. Stand up.
Can you imagine this? What's your name? 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 Hi. Say hi to Mama Flawless.